5 painful years of waiting. Was it really just about the car itself? What if the long delay actually saved us from a terrible first version? The Aptera you see today isn't what they planned back in 2021. That earlier design had serious flaws that would have disappointed everyone. So maybe those 5 years were a hidden blessing in disguise. 5 months from now, everything changes for this passionate community forever. Remember when we thought delivery would happen back in 2022? That was optimistic and honestly a little naive looking backward now. Each delay forced the engineers back to the drawing board again. Each setback uncovered problems nobody knew existed at the time. The vehicle we are getting now is vastly superior to earlier prototypes. Think about the solar charging system they originally promised versus today. Early versions barely generated enough energy for a short commute. Now the efficiency numbers make traditional EVs look completely outdated. That improvement didn't happen by accident or through simple good luck. It happened because dedicated engineers refused to accept mediocre performance standards. They kept pushing because the community kept believing in their vision. That partnership between creators and supporters is genuinely rare in automotive history. Most car companies don't listen to early adopters during development phases. Tesla certainly didn't offer this level of transparency during their early years. Aptera's approach feels different because they actually value community input. People submitted thousands of suggestions through forums and social media channels. The company actually implemented many of those suggestions into production models. That collaborative process takes time and patience from both sides. 5 years suddenly seems reasonable when viewed through that collaborative lens. Now we face the final countdown with cautious optimism and excitement. The recent company statements feel more concrete than anything we heard before. They mention specific months instead of vague future year promises. They referenced actual production numbers that sound achievable and realistic. That shift in communication style deserves genuine recognition from this community. Trust gets rebuilt through consistent action, not through empty marketing promises. If deliveries start within this timeframe, trust will finally be rewarded properly. If further delays occur, frustration will understandably resurface throughout the community. That reaction would be natural after 5 years of repeated postponements. Still, cautious optimism feels appropriate given how specific recent statements have become. Naming actual months represents meaningful progress compared to previous vague assurances. This moment right now genuinely feels like the turning point everyone anticipated. Whether that turns out completely accurate remains uncertain but hopeful. The shift in leadership tone feels undeniably real and worth acknowledging. Meanwhile, conversations about customization options reveal deeper community emotions. People aren't just purchasing transportation, they are expressing personal identity openly. Color choice matters because it represents individual expression layered onto shared dreams. Nobody wants to feel forced into settling for whatever color launches first. That ongoing color debate carries more emotional weight than simple paint selection. It represents agency, choice, and personal expression within a community-built product. Companies launching innovative products often underestimate customer attachment to details. Color, interior trim, and small accessories transform vehicles into personal statements. That's precisely why camping kits generate genuine excitement among adventure lovers. Someone who loves camping imagines weekends powered partially by sunlight. Remote scenic locations become accessible without worrying about charging stations nearby. Someone with larger dogs imagines effortless, dignified entry without straining pets. These small considerations reveal thoughtful design extending beyond simple solar efficiency. That attention to lifestyle details builds genuine emotional connection with customers. People don't just want efficient transportation, they want vehicles reflecting daily life. This community clearly values that kind of thoughtful consideration during development. Returning to the color conversation, that rumored red option reignited excitement. Something about aggressive red captures attention in ways other colors cannot. Red vehicles photograph beautifully stand out immediately, and communicate confidence boldly. For someone using this vehicle as marketing tool, visual impact carries real value. Driving something visually striking invites conversations and curiosity from strangers naturally. Those organic conversations become opportunities to discuss solar charging technology openly. That's a powerful, unintentional marketing advantage built through distinctive design choices. Companies rarely acknowledge how much word of mouth happens through visual distinction. Yet that reality remains true for emerging automotive technology companies currently. That's exactly why community members feel strongly about expanding color options. More available colors potentially means more visibility and more organic awareness. Whether company leadership fully recognizes this dynamic remains somewhat unclear. But community members clearly understand its importance for future company growth. That's precisely why reaching out directly to company representatives feels worthwhile now. Expressing genuine interest in expanded colors might genuinely influence future decisions. Companies building innovative products benefit enormously from constructive early feedback. That feedback loop, when handled respectfully, can shape product development meaningfully. This community clearly wants to participate constructively, rather than complain passively. That distinction matters enormously when building collaborative relationships with emerging companies. Meanwhile, thinking practically about 5 months from today requires serious preparation. Deciding on accessories, color preferences, and realistic expectations deserves careful consideration. Setting realistic expectations, like anticipating 2027 rather than immediate 2026, feels wise. That way, earlier delivery becomes pleasant surprise rather than disappointing delay. Managing expectations carefully after 5 years feels like a mature, practical approach. Excitement remains completely valid, but tempered excitement handles setbacks more gracefully. That balanced perspective seems increasingly common throughout recent community discussions. People remain hopeful, genuinely excited, yet prepared for potential additional delays. That maturity reflects lessons learned through years of anticipation and disappointment. Looking forward, the next 5 months will bring additional updates and statements. Staying engaged with this community helps maintain perspective and realistic expectations. Collectively sharing updates, comparing notes, and discussing rumors makes waiting manageable. That's ultimately what strong communities provide: mutual support through uncertainty together. Whether deliveries begin exactly on schedule or face additional delays remains unknown. This community will likely remain remarkably resilient, regardless of what happens next. 5 years of demonstrated patience suggests this group can handle further challenges. That resilience itself deserves genuine recognition separate from delivery timelines ultimately. Building something genuinely innovative rarely happens smoothly without considerable obstacles. Supporting that process requires considerable patience and understanding from everyone involved. This community has consistently demonstrated exactly that patience through repeated delays. That consistent support deserves acknowledgement regardless of remaining challenges ahead. Ultimately, 5 months represents genuine progress after 5 years of uncertainty. Whether that translates into immediate personal delivery remains uncertain but hopeful. The broader momentum feels genuinely undeniable and worth celebrating together. Now somewhere, someone will soon drive away in one of these remarkable vehicles. That moment, whenever it arrives, will represent genuine validation for patient supporters. Until then, discussions about colors, accessories, and timelines will continue regularly. That ongoing conversation itself represents something valuable beyond vehicle deliveries. Building genuine community around shared anticipation creates lasting value regardless. People didn't just wait passively, they engaged actively and shared excitement. They built real connections through shared anticipation over these 5 years. That collective experience represents something genuinely meaningful, beyond simply owning transportation. So whatever happens over these next 5 months, that community spirit continues. Whether your vehicle arrives exactly on schedule, delayed, or considerably later. That community remains genuinely valuable through excitement, uncertainty, and eventual resolution. Sharing this journey together creates lasting value beyond simple product ownership. That's ultimately worth remembering as this final countdown continues ahead. Thank you for following along through this discussion and sharing your thoughts. Please continue sharing throughout ongoing community conversations about everything Aptera, whatever color you choose, and whatever accessories you eventually decide to select. Whenever your vehicle eventually arrives, please enjoy this incredible journey fully. 5 years led here, 5 months remain, and soon vehicles reach driveways. That moment, whenever it comes, represents validation for patience and collective belief. The wait transformed us from customers into a genuine, resilient community. And that transformation might be the most valuable outcome of all. Now let's finish this journey together with hope and realistic expectations. The next 5 months will test our patience one final time. But we have survived worse delays and emerged even stronger. This time feels different, because the finish line is finally visible. Keep believing, keep engaging, and keep preparing for that special delivery day. Your vehicle is coming, and it will be worth every moment. See you at the finish line, fellow Aptera believers and dreamers. The countdown continues, and our shared adventure is almost complete. 5 months to go, and then everything changes forever. Stay patient, stay excited, and stay connected to this amazing community. We made it this far together, and we will finish together. The future of driving is almost here, and it looks bright. Solar-powered freedom awaits us just around the corner now. Let's make these final months count and enjoy the journey. Your patience will be rewarded sooner than you might expect. Keep the faith and keep dreaming about those open roads. The Aptera revolution is finally arriving, and we are ready. Thank you for being part of this incredible 5-year adventure. Now let's cross that finish line together with pride. The best is yet to come for all of us. 5 months and counting towards our solar-powered future together.